Wegachamoth, my dear Dinka learners, let us learn Dinka short phrases. 1. I am at work. In Dinka, Anto Loyich. Anto Loyich. I was at work. An Ekato Loyich. An Ekato Loyich. I am late. And Chigao. And Chigao. I was late. And a Kachigao. And a Kachigao. I was late. I am at home. Ento by. Ento by. By mean home. I was at home. And a kato by. And a kato by. I am at school. Ento panabun. Ento panabun. Panabun mean school. I was at school. And a kato panabun. And a kato panabun. I am laughing and dull and dull and dull. I am laughing and dull. I was laughing. I was laughing in Dinka and a kadal and a kadal. I am in the church in Dinka and to luang nialich ich and to luang nialich ich. Luang nialich mean church. I was in the church mean anekato luang nialich ich. Anekato luang nialich ich. Luang nialich mean church by William Majang Deng Dit. Dupiot itong jang. Nyalik kawik kuyania. Bye bye. This is the end. Please follow this channel to learn Dinka language with us. Also go to our YouTube. The name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV5. Please go there and subscribe and be part of Dinka Learning Family. Thank you very much. Bye bye.